Welcome back to Anthony Lee Raw. Guys, we are taking a look at TAO today. TAO getting a little move up. Can the rally continue? We're going to dive in. I'm going to show you the greatest indicator known to man and let you know what it is telling me. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs down. I really don't care which, but I cannot continue to do 1,000 altcoin videos. So the ones that get the most reaction will stay in the rotation. So be sure you show TAO some love here if you want it to stay in the rotation. Let's dive in. I'm looking at TAO on the 2-day time frame. And what I want to show you here, pay attention guys, this is important. What I want to show you here is this indicator. It is called Damian Pro, guys, and you can only get it at AnthonyLeeRaw.com. And we're going to dive in and see what I think is going to happen from here on. But look at the signals here. You get the buy signal back here, boom, exit signal. This is also the short signal. So you get the short signal, boom, exit signal. Entry to the long, continuation, exit. Same thing, entry to the short, continuation, exit. This is just beast mode, guys. You can't beat it. Rinse and repeat. And we currently have a buy signal, continuation signal, move up, and that total move up so far is about 13%. These others are huge too. The last one we got was a move up of about almost 60%. Now, you are seeing a red sell or exit signal flash. However, it is unconfirmed. We're on the 2-daily time frame. This will confirm or not confirm in about a day and a half. So with Monday night's close, and how could this not confirm? If price pushes back up, this could tick off. So we don't trade unconfirmed signals. We wait for them to confirm, and you don't miss much. If you wait for this to confirm, it confirms there, you still get the big run up, guys. So wait for confirmed signals just in case this disappears, which I think it will, and I'm going to show you why. By the way, if you want this indicator, hop on over right now, AnthonyLeeRaw.com. The banner at the top. Click on over here to the indicators tab, and we have our suite of indicators, which is buy 3, get all 5 free. Or you can scroll down. The very first one listed is Damian Classic and Damian Pro, and we have the others. I'm about to show you another right now and why I don't think that TAO is coming back just yet. Now, you might get a little pullback, but let me click on the other raw indicator that I use. It is called Bujorn. You can only get Bujorn on AnthonyLeeRaw.com also, okay? These are the only 2 indicators I use, period. And just look at these moves, guys. Gosh, you just can't beat it. Anyway, so we're getting the signal here on Damian, right? We just covered that. Damian signal right there, little move up. What I want to draw your attention down below is Bujorn. This is volatility over stochastic. And anytime volatility, which is the multicolor line, pay attention, guys, goes below the orange line, that is called contraction. When you expand back above it, that is volatility expansion. When you get that confirmed, you get a big move in the direction of stochastic, which is the dark gray line, okay? Whether to the upside or downside, the big move comes from the volatility. The direction comes from the stochastic. In this case, we're getting volatility expansion on the 2-daily time frame with stochastic to the upside, guys. So we can expect a big move here, just like right here when we got it last time, volatility expansion, but stochastic was headed down. So we got the big move down here given to you with Damian Pro, but confirmed with Bujorn, 34% move down. So big move down. And you can see the last time we got this exact same setup. We had the Damian Pro buy signal. We had, let me get a big thicker arrow here. We had the Damian Pro buy signal with volatility expansion, with stochastic pointing to the upside. And we got this total move here up of about 40%. So we're getting the exact same thing here. But we are getting the Damian sell signal. So should you get out, I personally, not financial advice, would not get out here, because even though we're getting the sell signal, that is detecting the presence of divergences and it is unconfirmed. However, stochastic has not ticked down, okay? So that tells me this move is likely not finished and will either completely erase, or you could see something like this where you just kind of pull back like this and then continue up, okay? And it would look very similar to something like this. You got the initial move up, little light pullback, and then continuation up. That is exactly what I'm expecting. And if we tick over to the 3-daily time frame, we can see the same thing. This could actually present an even bigger move up. Potentially, it is unconfirmed, guys. Hear me, this is unconfirmed. Now, we do have a confirmed Damian buy signal, okay? That was given to you, I don't know, about a week or so ago right there. And since that move, TAO's got to move up about the 12% move. However, we are having volatility come from deep down in contraction. So if we can get this expansion phase, if this thing can expand up over the orange line like that with the next candle close, stochastic is positioned to the upside, you could get an even bigger continuation move up on this. And this candle will close, again, with Monday night's close, same as the 2-day. So all eyes are going to be on the Monday night close for TAO. If you're wanting a big move up, all of your answers, all your questions are going to be answered at that time. And same thing back here. The last time we got this combination of the Damian buy signal with Bujorn expansion was right back here. We were under the buy signal. It doesn't have to happen on. It does not have to happen on the same candle, but you were under the confirmed buy signals. Volatility was headed down, so you got this sideways price action because volatility, the multicolor line, was headed down. But as soon as it expanded up over the 15 percentile, you got expansion. Stochastic was headed to the upside. That's when you got the continuation move up here for a total move up of about, I don't know, a little 168%. So I'm not calling for 168%. It is too soon to tell, but I am telling you there is a big move up brewing. Of course, with any altcoin, 99.999% of the time, if Bitcoin rolls over and dumps down, all of this is going to tick down and confirm to the downside. So you do want to watch direction of stochastic. If stochastic flips down while volatility is headed up, you could get a big rollover. So either way it goes, big move is coming. Big move is coming. As of now, it's positioned well to the upside. But we do, again, to be repetitive, want to watch Monday night's close to see if this confirms with all of these parameters still ticked up in the bullish posturing. So let me know what you think down below. Get on over AnthonyLeeRaw.com. Get your Damian indicators. Get your Bujorn indicators. How-to videos, lifetime access. They work with free or paid version of TradingView. I'll see you guys next time.